Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you a very important and very useful for daily life setting Google Tasks with Google Gemini AI means giving the voice command. It is very easy. Just now I tested and it has worked perfectly fine. Okay, see here I'll give a voice command for to record or to save a Google task. Hey Google, I need to soak dry fruits tonight at 9:30 p.m. Will you remind me through creating a task? See here, it is saying like Google Tasks, connecting Google Tasks. See here. Okay, I have a set.
Okay, I've set a reminder to soak the dry fruits at 9:30 p.m. tonight.
Okay, just for the tutorial purpose, what we should do is I'll be testing just at 9:05 p.m. Okay, set another Google task at 9:05 p.m. that I need to lock my door. Just for the testing purpose, I just gave that voice command to set a task or a reminder. We'll see it.
I've added a task to lock your door at 9.
See here, it is 9:05, right? Lock my door. It came up as a small notification sound and a notification calendar. Lock my door. So when I see this notification, I'll get to know the task what I need to be what I need to do. And remember one thing: when you say like "Hey Google" and save the task or something like that, it will ask you to click on the continue for the first time because I already gave that. So it didn't appear here while I'm recording the video. What you need to do is click on the Google Workspace connect and you're done, and you can give the voice commands to remember. I hope you like this video. If you feel this is informative, please do hit a like and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.